that the BJP had by using the Election Commission as their puppet and trying to eliminate and decimate 1.2 crore voters in Bengal. They are doing it step by step over the last 3 months, and we are all witness to it. And have a remedy to go to an appellate tribunal if you have been rejected by the judicial officer. But if I don't even know if I have been accepted or rejected, today 60 lakh people, 10% of my voter base in West Bengal does not know whether they have been accepted or rejected. Right. So how can they avail of the remedy to go to a hearing? All of these people cannot fill Form 6 and come back. Remember, if you try and fill Form 6, it says map voter. It's not letting you fill a Form 6. So only remedy is to go to appellate tribunal. But if I don't know if I am accepted or I am in limbo, I am treating like Trishanku, I am hanging between Patal and between the heaven and between the earth. I don't know what's going to happen to me. It's not a small number. It's not 6 lakhs. It's 60 lakhs. 11 lakhs in Murshidabad. Malda, there's some 6 or 8 lakhs. So now, what is the solution? Not one supplementary list has come out. When we ask the CEO, he says, don't worry, by this Friday or Saturday, first list will come out. My last day of nomination is the 6th of April and the 9th of April for the 2 phases. How many Fridays does it will come out once a week? So this is our 3rd or 4th visit to the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal in the last 40 days. And we have not met with any success on any of the issues each time we have come, and today was no different. As you know, the BJP leaders in Delhi and in West Bengal have continuously from day one insisted that between 1.2 crore and 1.25 crore voters in West Bengal are going to be deleted. Now what do we see? Chronology samajhiye. In Amit Shah's words, chronology samajhiye. We start with the West Bengal list of 7.66 crore voters in 2025. The SIR exercise starts. 58 lakh votes are deleted on absent, shifted, dead and duplicate. ASDD. 16th December, the list comes out of the draft list. We have 7.04 crore voters on the list. After that, all of a sudden, this whole LD tamasha starts, and valid voters, mapped voters, 1.36 crores are taken and put in the LD list and put through hearings. All of January hearings take place. 14th of February, by the evening of 14th of February, you have marked another 60 lakh voters who are mapped voters who have been through hearings, and they have been marked as under adjudication. And on the 28th of February, when the final list is published, what do we see? That 7.04 crore voters are on the final list, of which 60 lakh are marked under adjudication. So remember, if you are a voter, your name is not missing. Your name is there. And it is written, it is under adjudication. So a voter is thinking, all right, I am under adjudication. I have not been deleted because I have been mapped. My name is on the draft list. Everybody under adjudication was named on the draft list. Now what do we see? Suddenly, on the 15th of March, when the notification for the polls is announced, in a small print, total number of electors per state, what do we see in West Bengal? The number is not 7.04, the number is 6.44. So which means what? 60 lakh plus 58 lakhs ASDD, what do we get here? 1.2 crores. Exactly the number that BJP said would be deleted. Suddenly we find from the 28th of February to the 15th of March, nothing has happened. No supplementary list has come out. Nothing has come out. Hearings are over. But 60 lakh people have been marked as deleted from the list. So what happens? The burden of proof is suddenly on the elector. Now suppose you are an elector in the 60 lakhs. You have been mapped. You are an LD voter. You have gone through a hearing. You have given everything. But you are under adjudication. The Supreme Court said very clearly that supplementary lists will come out and they will be deemed to be on the final list. Today is what day? Today is the Supreme Court said this on the 19th of February, if I'm not mistaken. Today is the 17th of March, almost 30 days later. Not one supplementary list has come out. Now, Supreme Court has said that as a